Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to check computer performance before buying it with ChatGPT. If you ever want to buy a computer and you want to know the performance of that computer, you should do this before buying that computer. Now go to the computer that you want to buy, press Windows and X, and then you press A. I'll put that on the screen. Now this will come out, the terminal, choose yes. Kindly type in this command prompt. Not to worry, I'm going to paste it in the comment section. When you type it, do not make a mistake. You can just copy that. Now press the enter key on your keyboard. Now this information comes out. Now it tells you that CPU score is 9.2. Now you're going to see the score in that computer that you want to buy, remember? So you're going to see all of that. CPU score 9.2 for this exact computer. Now D3D score 9.9. So it gives you all of that. Now this one says graphics score 7.7, memory score 9.2. And it takes time to list all of that. Now you do not understand what these numbers mean. So what you need to do now is to take a screenshot of this number and head over to ChatGPT. Now let's take a screenshot of that and choose my snipping tool. So I'll click on new. All right, so what I want to do is to take a screenshot of this numbers. That's all I need. All right, so I'm going to save this on the downloads. So I'll save this with PC and click save. Then close this. Now I'll head over to ChatGPT. So here I am in ChatGPT. Remember, we've saved that picture. Now I'm going to click here, the plus sign in ChatGPT. Now click the attachment, which is add photos or file. I'll click on that. Go straight to the picture that I screenshot. Right click on that picture and click open. Now this is all that I need. Then I'm going to type in check the performance of this PC, and then I'll hit the enter key. Now the ChatGPT is going to analyze this image and tell you the performance of that computer that you want to buy. Now we're going to look at the analysis ChatGPT has given to us based on this particular computer. All right, so it says your scores. Now CPU score 9.2, it says excellent. Very strong processor, great for multitasking, coding, heavy apps, and even CPU heavy games. Can you see? Memory score 9.2, excellent. RAM fast, good bandwidth, smooth performance with lots of apps / tabs open. Right. Disk score 9.45, outstanding. This almost certainly means a fast SSD, and that's what my computer is using. Boot times, app launches, and file transfer will be very quick. So it explains everything for you. D3D score 9.9, top tier, direct 3D performance. Graphics score 7.7, good, but the weakest link. So it goes on and on to explain all of that. Okay, so we'll continue to go. Now it says overall verdict. This is a high performance PC for everyday use, productivity, development, and even gaming. It's going to feel fast and responsive. What it's great at: daily use, programming, development work, content creation, gaming, esports, and all of that. Okay. So with that, you will know the computer that you want to buy if you should go ahead to buy it. Now let's see what it says here. Only potential bottleneck, graphics performance compared to the rest of the system. But look here, if you game a lot or do 3D video work, it means I need to upgrade this particular one, the graphics, which I'm not a gamer. Otherwise, you're honestly already in a sweet spot. You can see that you should do this whenever you're going to buy a computer based on whatever it is you want to use it for. All right. If this video helped you, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video for more tech tips like this. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.